Most people look at a mobile accessory and see a charger. We see an engineering problem waiting to be solved. Since 2008, we have been building, with the financial strength of the UAE and the technological depth of Shenzhen behind us. We are not importers. We are engineers. We are ohms. Our edge is not advertising. It is accumulated intelligence. Every day, our repair and diagnostics teams witness the exact moment a device fails, destroyed by the invisible threat inside our own power grid: unstable voltage. We did not look away. We built the answer through years of real failures, real data, and real Sri Lankan conditions. We built something this market had never seen. Ohms. Not imported, not copied. Engineered here, for here. A precision-built shield designed to absorb every voltage spike our grid delivers and protect your device completely. This is not a foreign solution brought to our shores. This was born from our soil, built by our hands, and proven on our streets. Sri Lanka has always had the talent. Now, it has the product. This is Ohms.